In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text on Wix 2126 Guide. If you've ever used a word processor, you'll feel right at home here. Wix makes it simple to update the words on your page, fine-tune the style of specific phrases, and add brand new text elements wherever you need them. Let's start with modifying text that's already on your page. The fastest way is to double-click the text box. As soon as you do, the text becomes editable, so you can highlight, delete, or type new words right in place. If you prefer more control, click the text box once and choose Edit Text. That opens the text settings panel, which is where you'll find all the deeper customization options. Use the quick double click for rapid changes and the text settings panel when you want consistent styling across your site. Inside the text settings panel, you can tailor the look and feel to match your brand. Choose a theme to keep your site consistent, or manually pick a font and size. You can apply bold, italics, or underline for emphasis, and it works on selected words as well as entire blocks. When adjusting colors, you can recolor the whole text box or highlight a single word and apply a unique shade just to that selection. Aim for strong contrast so your text stays readable for everyone. Alignment is just as important. Set your text left, center, right, or justified to fit your layout. When you need structure, turn on bullets or numbering to create tidy lists that are easy to scan. For readability, adjust character spacing and line spacing until the text feels balanced. A little extra line spacing can make paragraphs much easier on the eyes. Visual effects like shadows or strokes can add impact, but they work best on headers. Keep body text clean so it remains crisp and legible. For SEO and accessibility, assign the right HTML tag to each text element. Use H1 for the main page heading, H2 for section subheaders, and paragraph for regular body copy. This hierarchy helps search engines understand your content and makes it clearer for assistive technologies. Keep your headings in logical order and avoid overusing the H1. When you need new text, click the plus icon on the left toolbar, go to Text, and choose Themed Text, a specific header or a paragraph style. A new text box appears on the canvas. Drag it into position and double-click to start typing. Align it with your existing layout for a polished, professional look. That's it. Edit quickly, style confidently, and structure your content so it looks great and performs well.